নমস্কার। আজকের এপিসোড কিন্তু কালামকারীর ওপর। আপনারা অনুরোধ করেছিলেন আমাকে একটা কালামকারীর এক্সক্লুসিভ এপিসোড করতে এবং আপনাদের অনুরোধেই কিন্তু আজকে এই এপিসোডটা করা। কালামকারী, পেন কালামকারী স্পেশালি যেটা ট্র্যাডিশনাল কালামকারী, সেটা কিন্তু ভীষণ এক্সপেন্সিভ এবং অনেক প্রসেসে ওটা করা হয়, দুধে ওয়াশ করা হয়, নানা রকম প্রসেস হয় এবং ওটা খুবই এক্সপেন্সিভ। কিন্তু আমরা সবাই কালামকারী ভালোবাসি এবং যারা আমরা একটু অ্যাফোর্ড করতে পারি না অত এক্সপেন্সিভ কালামকারী, তাদের কথা ভেবেও কিন্তু আজকের এপিসোডটা নানান রকম কালামকারী, নানান রকম ফ্যাব্রিকে আমি আজকে দেখাবো। সুতরাং দেখতে থাকুন। সব রকমের ডিজিটাল প্রিন্টিং থেকে আরম্ভ করে পেন কালামকারী সবই আমি দেখাবো। এটা হচ্ছে মটকা বেনারসির ওপর আমার এপিসোড নাম্বার 23 ফার্স্ট প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 মটকা বেনারসির ওপর ডিজিটাল কালামকারী। পুরোটা কিন্তু উইভিং করা বেনারসিতে। দেখুন এর মধ্যে আপনারা দেখতে পাবেন খুব মিউটেড জারি দিয়ে একটা উইভিং যাচ্ছে, সেটা খুব ক্লিয়ারলি বোঝা যাচ্ছে। দেখুন পুরোটাই উইভিং করা এবং তার মধ্যে কিন্তু কালামকারী প্রিন্টিং করা হয়েছে। বেনারসি ট্রেডিশনাল ম্যাট জারির অ্যান্টিক বর্ডার, যাতে খুব লাউড না লাগে, কারণ কালামকারী ইটসেলফই তো খুব ক্লাসি আর খুব এলিগেন্ট কনসেপ্টটা। এবং তার সাথে এই হচ্ছে আঁচলটা, বেনারসি আঁচল, বেনারসি বর্ডার, বেনারসি পুরো অল ওভার উইভ এবং তার সাথে আমাদের সকলের প্রিয় কালামকারী প্রিন্ট। আমি আজকে এই এপিসোডটা আমার যেহেতু এত ভ্যারাইটি আমি এনেছি, আমি মাটকার ওপরই একটাই দেখালাম, কিন্তু আমাদের শোরুমে কিন্তু মাটকার আরও প্রিন্ট আছে। সুতরাং আপনারা যদি আরও অপশন চান মাটকা বেনারসির ওপর কালামকারী দেখতে, তাহলে কিন্তু আপনাদের আমাদের দুটো ব্রাঞ্চেই আসতে হবে। আমাদের বালিগঞ্জ রেলওয়ে স্টেশনের কাছে একটা ব্রাঞ্চ আছে, আর আরেকটা হচ্ছে 2C কর্নফিল্ড রোডে। এটা ব্লাউজ পিসটা, বেনারসি ব্লাউজ পিস, দেখুন বোঝাই যাচ্ছে। তার মধ্যে একটা টেক্সচার প্রিন্টও আছে, অল ওভার উইভিং। এটা প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 মটকা বেনারসি কালামকারী, প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1। প্রাইস অনলি 3850, 3850 রুপিস প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 2 পিওর টাসার, beautiful weave pure tussar with kalamkari print. This is not the pen kalamkari, this is printing done on pure tussar with a beautiful woven zari border. Just see the sleek zari border. Product number 2, price 6990, 6990 rupees. All over very neat and very smart looking kalamkari for those who wanted very light, very soft, lightweight tussar with a beautiful fall. Just see the traditional kalamkari print, the peacock motifs all over in red, and here goes the blouse piece in off-white. This is product number 2 and here goes the pallu, zari woven pallu with tassels. Product number 3, the same print done in navy blue, dark navy blue color. So here again goes the pallu part. Single color block print done in pure tussar. Soft, flowy, not the stiff fabric, very soft tussar. All over printing. Here goes the print, the peacock prints all over, and off-white blouse piece with the zari border. 6990 in navy blue. I just made a mistake in the numbering. The previous one both was product number 2 in different shades, so it's A and B. Just take the screenshot of the color in case you miss out the number. So that was previous one was product number 2A and 2B, the red and the navy. This is in matka again without any border. It doesn't have any border, it's throughout digital printing. See the beautiful print in the shade of peachish rust color, beautiful English tone with multicolor kalamkari, Very, very reasonable price, only 2,850 rupees. Product number 3, 2,850 rupees. All over printing. Very extremely soft. Just check out the fall. Very lightweight, very soft and very, very comfortable fabric in matka with kalamkari. Just see the fall. Since the price is so cheap, it doesn't mean the quality is bad. It's a very, very good quality, very soft, ideal for gifting. We do lot of embroidery in these fabrics. We have matka, lovely embroideries we've used in this fabric. It comes out very well, and this is the blouse piece. Only 2,850 rupees. Kalamkari in matka. Product number 4, the same thing in shade of, I would say, greyish color, light ash color. See the print, it looks very, very nice. You know, on wearing, it gives a very smart look. Nobody will say it's only 2,850 because of the look after all. 2,850, product number 4. Just take the screenshot where the number and the description is there. I'm clearly showing you the print, the color, the details of the sari is clearly shown in the video. So please don't ask me to send another screenshot. This is the whole product. I'm showing you the whole sari till the end. And since we have very limited stock, we don't make in bulks. So please be sure when you're booking. I don't want anybody to kindly block the product. Product number 4, 2,850. And once the payment is done via there are many modes of payment. আপনারা পেমেন্ট করে দিলে ব্যাংকে বা জিপেতে বা আমাদের পেটিএমে পেমেন্ট যদি করে দেন আমাদের কিন্তু কোরিয়ার হয়ে যাবে। কলকাতার মধ্যে ক্যাশ অন ডেলিভারি পসিবল। কলকাতা আমরা ক্যাশ অন ডেলিভারি শুরু করেছি, চার্জেস ডেফিনেটলি অ্যাপ্লিকেবল। Out of Kolkata, within India, we definitely courier, and also regular international shipping we are doing. The more you buy, the less you pay for shipping. For 1-2 product, it gets a bit expensive, but for more than 2 products or 1 product, the shipping reduces a lot. 2,850, product number 5. Again, a color in cream. Butter color. All over kalamkari, butter color in very soft fabric, ideal to give parents who wouldn't want a heavy border in their saris, who can't wear heavy border saris. See the lovely print. Very earthy tones of the print, at the same time it is very bright. Kalamkari is an art, it's a tradition, it's a very famous work that is done with a lot of painstaking steps, but those are the things which are very, very expensive. So we've just done those same designs in printing also, in pure tussar. Like this is pure tussar. See the fall, the quality of the tussar with antique zari, copper zari border. Copper zari border. The pallu will have ghicha with zari. Product number 6. Price 6,990 rupees. This is lovely shade of peacock blue with brown coffee tone. Very elegant combination. This is pure tussar. Another I have the same print in check tussar. That is also very smart. That is in check, same price, but the fabric is in check tussar. And here goes the blouse piece in fudge color. The fudge color blouse piece, 6,990 rupees in kalamkari. Now here goes tussar Banarasi with patola weaving pallu. Just check out this concept. Now here goes the fancy kalamkaris. Just see. Pure tussar with patola border and zari woven border. Pista color. Since because of the light, the color may be in a 1820 or 1920 difference. I'm mentioning all the colors. Deep pista color with kalamkari all over in digital. Zari woven border, zari woven in the patola border. Here goes the border. The back part, you can see the weave of the zari, then you can understand that it's woven. This is printing, the patola part is printed, it is not woven. Let me tell you one thing, that Sanskriti will never ever tell anything incorrect. Which is not woven, which is art, will be clearly mentioned even in our Facebook page. There is no hide and seek that is done. Our prices are clearly mentioned in each post, and you will get to you will receive the exact product that you are booking, because we do not keep duplicates. Here goes the whole sari, and a lovely Banarasi blouse. So it's a tussar Banarasi with kalamkari. Just see the blouse. It's a matte maroon color blouse with pista. So overall, it's a beautiful sari. Extremely elegant. You can go to any wedding and it will stand out in the crowd. Just see the whole concept. 10,750 rupees, product number 7. Kalamkari with embroidery in tussar. The whole episode will be in kalamkari, but there will be variety of them which I have added, done additional fusion. Like this is kalamkari but in brushing. This is done in brushing kalamkari by hand with embroidery. This whole black part is thread work. I'm sure it's very clear. See the pallu, especially the shade. It's a grey color, mud color with turquoise blue shading border, brushing border, and multicolored kalamkari pallu and border. Very smart, sleek sari. Bhishon uncommon combination, extremely elegant. Throughout the sari would be like this, in pure tussar shaded. And running blouse piece. This is product number 8850, product number 8. Product number 9. Again kalamkari with thread work. Paisley motifs, lower part. The upper part will have printing, shaded slate color, pallu. These are not pen kalamkari, these are printed. Particular this two sari is painted kalamkari, but not pen kalamkari. This is the thread work, embroidery. The back side you will understand the finish. This is the back part. I'm showing you the back part. This is the pallu. This is thread work. The black part is thread work. All the black outline done against the motif is thread work. It will go like this till your hip, and then little paisleys in the bottom. Pleat. Here comes the pleat. The pleat will have this lovely kalamkari. Very smart, elegant sari. Very smart. And running blouse piece. The blouse piece definitely will have this sleek border. This is the border. So this is again product number, please take the screenshot whichever you are liking, product number 9, 8,290 rupees, 8,290 rupees. Now comes tussar again, but this is Munga tussar, like I am also wearing a Munga tussar. upper part I have not given anything. I would, if anybody has any statement jewelries to go with this sari, please adorn them with this. খুব ভালো লাগবে এটার সাথে any statement jewelry, বড় কোনো jewelry পরুন, ওপরটা plain, wear a choke or anything. But the bottom part is pure pen kalamkari in applique. Not multicolored, single color pen kalamkari, nib kalamkari, only the outline is there, and this is absolutely applique attached, applique embroidered throughout the lower part. Awesome. The color is deep turquoise. This is woven, striped woven pallu. 9,950 rupees. The pallu, I am showing you the pallu. 9,950 rupees, ma'am. These, I would like to tell you, all these are single piece products. No repeats, no duplicates. All single piece. So once it's gone, cannot be recreated. And I would like to state that I want uniqueness in my product. So this is the blouse piece, but again you can wear a black one and just mix and match and use as borders. This is the whole sari. Very smart looking, and the color is also very pretty. 9,950 rupees. Then comes similar kind again in Munga Tassar, but this has sleeker border in both sides. Since that was a broader border, so I have used just in the daman part. This is both side hand painted kalamkari, again nib kalamkari, the traditional one, but cut out and done in the applique embroidery part. See, not multicolored, only single pen, single black nib has been used, black pen. And here goes the pallu, ghicha and zari weave pallu. 8,950 rupees. 8,950 rupees, product number 11. A deep turquoise blue color, very rich color. This is the whole look. Please take the screenshot whichever you are liking, and you can of course WhatsApp me. The numbers are going. Description, it's clearly mentioned. The description is also going. We have two branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Yes, this is a beauty. Pure Kora silk. Pure Kora silk pen kalamkari. Yes, I can smell the smell. It has a very unique smell. The pen kalamkari, the traditional hand painted nib kalamkari, which we say, done in dark fudge color. All over hand painting. Here is the pallu, absolutely very light color, lightweight. The tassels, pure silk kora, hand woven, hand painted, 17,500 rupees. 17,500 rupees. So now you know why I am showing all the ranges. 17,500 rupees, and let me tell you, since these are hand painted, so there will be little, you know, 1 or 2 spots here and there. That is not a defect, that is the effect. This is not done in machine, this is not done in machine printing. This is the effect of the sari. This is hand painting. What a beauty. And the whole sari will be like this. With this, I have given a ajrak printed blouse piece. Silk ajrak blouse piece in modal silk blouse piece, 17,500 rupees. Product number 12. Now the product number 13. Kindly note the variety of fabrics that I am using. Each fabric is different from the other. Not that I am showing you all in tussar. Variety of fabric, like this is in tussar again, but the border is in silk, and this temple is woven border. This is not printing, this is woven. Check out the kalamkari digital printing. It gives a Kanjivaram look. The temple border in tussar gives a Kanjivaram look. Again, this is silk. Here goes the pallu. Beautiful rust, orangish rust border. It's a kind of orangish rust. 11,550 rupees. 11,550 rupees. All over kalamkari. All over printing will go, and then the blouse piece will be border color. Lovely look. You know, when you'll wear, we have an album in the page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where you have sent me pictures of our products adorned, worn our products, Sanskriti, Srimati and Sriman. We have menswear also. So it looks so pretty in the crowd. Definitely will stand out when you are in a Sanskriti product. See the color combination. All kalamkaris with red, bright red silk woven temple border. Just check out the border, lovely border. One side slightly broader than the upper part. And this is the pallu. Rich red silk, 11,550 rupees. Product number 14. And I'm so glad with the reviews that you sent me, that the product, when you receive, you are very happy with the product. That is really encouraging. And I obviously try to show as closely as possible. I try to drape the product. Why? Because you can understand the fall of the sari. That is very important. Being comfortable with a product, it has to be comfortable. It has to be, the fabric should be skin friendly, and the richness is also very important. And here goes the blouse piece. Rich red pure silk blouse piece. It's the color of a golden mustardish yellow. Lovely shade, lovely combination with the red borders, giving it a richer look. Again another pen kalamkari. It's mainly Pichwai design with Ari embroidery done all over in the body. This Ari embroidery, it's all over Ari work with tiny mirrors, hand embroidery, Ari mirror work, Pichwai kalamkari applique in Pichwai motifs. This is the pallu. To see the pallu, and the color is dark powder blue grayish color. It's more of a blue with a tinge of steel grey, but it's blue, not grey. And bright purple border. It's a Kanjivaram kind of sari with this is the pallu. Price 10,500 rupees. Price 10,500 rupees. And all over work. The work will be till the end. Very thick quality silk. The silk quality is very thick quality, very good quality. Good thread count, heavy thread count, and this is the purple blouse piece. Since the upper part will be of just the zari, the lower part will be of a temple Kanjivaram silk, and this goes the blouse piece. Lot of concept has been used in this sari, and especially the color. The color is also very, very nice. Now this is one of my favorite saris. It's in Tassar, but it is story. It's just the Mahabharat story, all over digitally printed. Just see the sari. It's absolutely an art. So close woven, so close printing, and the work, the weave, the sari itself is very, very, very unique. This is handwork. This is hand embroidery, edging that has been done. Price 10,300 rupees. 10,300 rupees. Just check out the shade. The shading of each figure. So many shades and colors has been used and all earthy tones, yet it is so rich. No bright colors, all earthy tones, because this is absolutely a very classy sari. All over it's just a story in printing. Heavy quality desi tussar. This is the whole sari. The whole sari is this. I'm showing you till the end. And a snuff color blouse piece. A snuff color blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Only one piece. So it's a neighbor's envy, owner's pride sari. Now you will love this. Kora silk, pure Kora silk. What is Kora? Kora is a sheer fabric of silk. Pure Kora. I don't use mixed synthetic ones. This is absolutely pure Kora chikankari. Chikan work, all over thread work with kalamkari border. Do you like the concept? Chikankari with Banarasi Kora silk, chikankari from Lucknow and kalamkari from Andhra. See the pallu. 12,900 rupees. 12,900 rupees with crochet border. So it's a fusion sari. Traditional sari yet fusion concept. So many karigars are involved in one particular sari. The dyeing goes to one, the weaving goes to one, the embroidery goes to one, the printing goes to one. So much work is involved. Lovely lemon color shade, and this is in light pista. So I've got only two colors and single piece. This is light pista shade. All over chikankari, kalamkari, chikankari. Absolutely an art. See the work. So single way, you can see it's all over thread work. So absolutely not at all see-through, since it will have throughout thread work with sleek kalamkari border, pista color. This goes the pallu once again. I'll just put it on once on me. Here goes the whole look. And throughout same embroidery till the end. Silk blouse piece. I have given silk blouse so that the exact color can be seen against the sari. Same price, just two colors. Another nip painting. 16,800 rupees in dual tone katan silk. It's a heavy quality katan silk with hand painted applique. I actually wanted to keep this for myself, but since kalamkari is it takes so much time, so I was short of a few pieces in this episode, so I had to give up on my indulgence. So this is 16,800 rupees. Product number 19. Hand painted kalamkari in royal blue. Dual tone, bright royal blue. This is the lower part. The close up. Here again goes the pallu with silk edging. Even the fabric that I've used for piping is pure raw silk, not the mixed one. Till the end, and rich red katan silk blouse. Bright red. Since this is muted, though it's hand painted kalamkari applique, this is muted. The blouse and the piping is just standing out even in the bright color. Last sari, and absolutely very reasonable, only 4,990 rupees. I'd shown you matka kalamkari 2850 in the same episode initially. Otari same fabric with applique kalamkari. আঁচলটাতে এরকম আসবে, আঁচলটা এটা ময়ূর আসছে, অ্যাপ্লিক করে করে বসানো হয়েছে। only 4,990 rupees, my last product of this episode. প্লিটসে এটা আসছে, এটা প্লিটসে পড়ছে। পুরো প্লিটসটা নট অনলি মানে একদম শেষ অবধি প্লিটসটাতে এতটা কাজটা পুরোটা আসছে, দেখুন পুরো প্লিটসটাতে এই কাজটা আসবে এবং এটার সাথে ব্লাউজ পিস কলমকারি। এটা ব্লাউজ পিস দিয়েছি 4,990 rupees, product number 20, 4,990 rupees, only one color, bright red, and the one that I am wearing, this is in Munga Tussar, pure Munga Tussar Banarasi weave-in border, all over printing, digital printing in very soft fabric, very light. It doesn't seem that I'm wearing anything. It's absolutely very flowy and very comfortable even for summer. It has a red blouse piece with Banarasi border, and the neck piece that I'm wearing, it's 2,750 rupees. It has matching earrings with this, 2,750 rupees. The pearl and stone setting earring that I'm wearing, it's not with the neck piece. Neck piece has a matching earring. This is different. I'll tell you the price, I don't remember. The bangles I know it's 1,550 rupees, a set of 4. Green and red stone setting, set of 4. Probably this will be around 1,750 or something. I'll let you know. Just take the screenshot or you can just inquire about the earrings. And this is the neck piece. So if you like my products, kindly like, share and subscribe. And in case I've forgotten to tell you my sari price, it's 6,500 rupees. Please take the screenshot and message me, WhatsApp me. Thank you so much for watching and bhalo thakben shobai, shusto thakben.